Changing your payout method on KidsCasting is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the KidsCasting website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Payment Information or Payout Method. Click on this option to access your current payout settings. Step 4. Update your payout method. In the Payment Information section, you will see your current payout method. Choose the option to edit or change it. Enter the new payment details as required, such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method on KidsCasting will be updated. Make sure to check back to ensure the changes have been applied correctly.